You have introduced. Please introduce yourself to Dr. Fish.
Yeah, we just met Raju Garu and me.
Yes, come on. Mr. Murumala Raju, we are in a group call, sir. Yeah. Vinod garu, namaskaram. Yeah. Namaste. Dr. Fish garu unnaru line lo.
Yeah, I'm here.
Doctor, sir, please is not aware of.
Yeah, Vinod Rao, I also have a program called Ekalavya, incidentally.
Right.
That was where I used to teach my children in different places online. Long back I started.
Okay.
So the virtual learning platform was called Ekalavya during those days.
Nice.
I started in 2010. 10 years back. Yeah. Basically a scientist retired from Space Department.
Oh.
Yeah.
Eklavya Foundation is an NGO. It was started 12 years back.
Okay.
And we started with the watershed programs in Adilabad district.
Uh-huh.
And then we moved into Islam education, and then we moved into organic agriculture.
Okay.
Right now we have a KVK, it's Krishi Vigyan Kendra, and I happen to be the chairman of it, and I'm the secretary of Eklavya Foundation.
Okay.
We have an organic diploma college in Tandoor, so I look after both these verticals.
Okay.
That's the brief about us.
I just keep going around for motivating children for learning. As part of it, one of my activity was I have got an old house in Kerala. I am basically from Kerala. Some 200-year-old hermitage sort of a place where I used to conduct camps for children so that they will learn the village life and such things. No?
Nice.
Yeah, that is what I do. I retired in 2010, so 10 years.
Oh. Voluntary retirement, stay there, voluntary doctor, voluntary retirement.
Yeah, that doesn't matter.
No, retirement, people think of 60 years retirement, no. Okay. Vinod here, this is Manmohan Reddy. Hello, this is Manmohan Reddy. I'm into the similar way, into alternate learning, and I'm an organic farmer, I'm a sportsman. Oh, okay. Which sport, sir? I'm into table tennis, chess, and little bit of running, athletics. Nice. I represented twice all India International. Oh, okay. Check. Vinod, just tell about the new statue of that warehouses on the four corners of the city. Can you repeat that, sir? Yeah, we have a plan of opening the four warehouses in the four corners of the four highways on the ring road. Okay, so please elaborate on it. Can you lead us on it? అంటే దాని నుంచి మీరు చెప్తారా నేను చెప్పాలా? మీరు చెప్పండి మిమ్మల్ని అడిగారు కదా, మీరు చెప్పండి. This is regarding vegetables, right? Okay, sir. Is this regarding the vegetables or no problem? Vegetables and fruits, no problem. Go ahead. Fine. See, since 4 months in KVK, the idea came that it is so close to Hyderabad, and we have the mandate to do agriculture work in Medak district. We thought, how will the farmers make money? And then we identified that why don't we start promoting organic vegetables and put our efforts on it. And since we were PGS certified regional council, we can certify organic produce. Yeah. So then we thought that since we have a KVK, which is a central government institute, we wanted to brand it. So what we did is in our campus, we started growing different kinds of models and then slowly local farmers started seeing it, and then they are adopting it.
They're
So
replicating
the idea is that since we had a certification program, and we wanted to, they wanted to know the technology and package of practices. So we are giving them POPs and then most important the inputs, because they don't seem to have an idea on how to do this kashaya or the new things that's coming. So we took the onus on supplying POPs and as well as the inputs with certification.
Okay.
And then when we went into that, we thought farmers' main constraint is the shelf life. Because leafy vegetables, it's only 24 hours, as all of us know. Then we came across, luckily, a plant where it's MAP, modified atmospheric pressure packing, is being started. By doing that, shelf life is being increased by 3 days.
3 days.
So,
Wow.
So that's a big factor.
Yeah.
So now, theoretically, as far as my short thing is that a central government institute or a government institute having a PGS certification license and getting into marketing links with map packing is not being done in India as of now. So this whole chain can be effectively implemented if we tie up with marketing people. So that's where probably Subramanian Garu's idea was to connect these farmers through KVK across the marketing chain, which we are probably doing now. We have all our produce in KVK is being taken by direct. There's only one person who takes it and supplies to the direct customer. So now we are tying up with probably about 100 farmers, and then getting into FPOs and then promoting it in a big way.
The marketing linkage is
the marketing linkage is we are doing it now.
Consolidating the input centers, the input resource centers, and the front end, the marketing linkage.
Correct. Now, let's say because of COVID, lots of greenhouses, polyhouses, who are into flowers, they closed it. So what we are
doing, lack of labor,
lack of labor and lack of market probably.
Okay.
Flowers market especially.
Okay.
Because there are no functions and all that. I was being told. So what we are doing is we are identifying them, and our scientists are going there. We are doing the certification process, and then quality of leafy vegetables will be much better in polyhouses. So for every center we are tying up with marketing people. Look, we have to take this, we have to produce from this with certification, with map packing. We are in the initial phases, but that seems to be working. But only another 6 months or 8 months will be much more comfortable in saying it's a successful thing. We are just implementing as of now.
A bigger radical approach. This is a radical approach, sir. These are not being tried after these 10 years of zero budget farming. Nothing has been done in this radical manner. Am I right, sir?
Yeah, it's true. True.
Yeah.
Probably. Because in one initiative in KVK, when we have a mango garden in the farm, and when we were 3 months back, 4 months back, when we saw it across the Telangana, that the production was only 5% or 10%. Then we were saying, how do we help this mango garden owners? How do we generate an alternate income?
Optimize their use.
Yeah, then we came up with saying that can we grow something under the shade trees of the plants, mango garden. Then we came across a model where can we do vermicompost because we are doing a vermicompost unit in the KVK but under sheds. So then we thought why don't we do something under the mango trees? Then we came up with a model. Probably no one has tried it, as far as we know. That in a linked mesh, it's by 5 feet diameter. So we did that, and probably we are the first batch came. The second batch is in the making. The revenue was decent. Like we will definitely make more money than the mango gardens by selling vermicompost in the chains.
How many layers? Is it 10 layers?
No, this is 2 feet height by 5 feet diameter. And to make one ring, it's costing about 900 rupees.
Yeah.
But the first production itself is about 2,500 rupees. So the life of it is probably 5 years.
Okay. They can get back their return.
Yeah, and then it's about 400 rings in 1 acre. So it's pretty impressive. We have to see for another 6 seasons, and then, like I said, we can. But these days, the vermicompost is being sold at 7 to 8 rupees. But even if you keep at 5 rupees,
you can get the break-even.
Yeah.
How about the raw material? Raw material, we bought that?
Raw material is the same FIM, farmyard manure. And it is costing, I think, 1 rupee 55 paise. Cost of input.
Okay.
And the output is, like I said, 6 rupees.
Yeah.
To make a ring, it's costing us 700 rupees. So in the first batch itself, probably the cost is being recovered.
We hear the break-even. Here seeing the shade of the mango tree.
Under the shade, yeah. So that is one thing we are doing. So
again, this vermicompost is coming under the brand, or they are selling individually?
No, probably there's no brand as such. We are yet to do a branding. Because the local farmers are saying there's a huge demand for that.
Okay.
And there are a couple of want to experiment, but I don't know if this is the right thing. But maybe I can explain when there are another 2-3 experiments which we are doing, which might be interesting.
And the similar lines as the cow dung that they are mobilizing, they are buying that from the farmers in that Rajasthan and UP. I hope the same lines they are getting generating a revenue of 3,200 crores.
Nice.
Just mobilizing the collective pool in the village, and they are paying down.
Nice.
For the cow dung.
Oh, nice.
That link has been.
Oh, yeah. Well, in 400-500 rings, it's a pretty decent money. Probably it's running into lakhs.
Then the myth of not having the organic resource, what is called inputs. People are saying, no, we don't have that many inputs to sustain this bigger population. So that kind of a myth will be busted.
Correct. And
one more practice is also to be done in the KVK.
Yeah.
For green leafy vegetables, 1 feet height small rings we are using for green leafy vegetables under shade and the tunnels also.
Right.
We are doing right now. We are experimenting with tunnel systems. We got about 4 batches now. It seems to be fairly effective. Instead of poly tunnels in a huge way, it's just 3 feet tunnels.
That arch tunnel.
Correct.
That's right.
Yeah. Okay.
But if you have to pick one point in this, it's the going is the MAP pattern. It's very effective.
What is MAP? What is it?
The one I said, which is keeping the leafy vegetables fresh for 3 days.
Yeah.
That will be a game changer if we have a certification, along with certification.
To show that this is a differentiator with organic.
100%.
Yeah.
The moment somebody is saying that we'll have a previous certification with MAP tracking, most of them are interested.
No, people are saying 3 years, 2 years, 1.5 years is another kind of an.
No, sir. This previous is self-certification thing. Right from day one, you'll have a temporary certificate and then it progresses to a permanent in 2 years. But it's
the green logo, straight away from the.
These days, the government, the portal, it is coming with a QR code, sir.
Okay.
In fact, I forgot to tell you, there will be a QR code in our packet with MAP. All he has to do is scan with the smartphone, and then it will take you to the central government portal, and then it has the details, which survey number, what is the name of the farmer. So for the people, IT people or anybody, the QR code is giving them little traceability and satisfaction.
Authenticity, authentication of it. Okay.
Correct.
Yeah.
And it is just an entry level because the genuine vegetables with certification or without certification, it's easy to tell. Like all of us know.
Yeah.
The quality itself is, people are coming 100 kilometers away, 100 kilometers to us from Hyderabad just for papayas.
Yeah.
So,
that basic input, the differentiator is again vermicompost.
No, we have, it's not vermicompost, it's just a part of it, sir. We use all these cow-based and Jivamritam and then effective micro solutions we use. That is part of the South Korean professor, the Jadam techniques.
Oh, Jadam, okay.
Correct, sir.
Yeah.
So we use a lot of, and then Subramanian sir uses a lot of bio inputs and micro thing. So, Dr. Seshikumar sir.
Yeah, I am learning. all the terminologies.
Oh, now this is not a pep talk, sir.
I am learning all the terminologies. You are educating.
No, you punished me and now you now enjoying, sir.
Learning is always enjoyment, no? I am seeing the papaya and all that.
Yeah, sir.
In fact, we are in papayas we are doing with stickers, sir. So in each papaya we stick that QR code.
Yeah.
And even in the bitter gourds and ridge gourd and all we stick. So it's kind of, like I said, it's a entry level. It makes it interesting.
Yeah, and you will know. You can trace where, who, when, where it moved and all that.
Correct.
Yeah.
And one more thing which we are making seeing a difference is selective harvesting, sir.
Okay.
So that's making a difference.
Customizing.
Yeah, even at the harvesting itself, we are saying that to harvest there only set number of people, selected people.
Yeah.
Earlier we used to send everybody to the farm and get it picked, but now we have said only 2 or designated people will pick the vegetables. We are training the same thing to the farmers. So once they do the selective harvesting, grading, while harvesting, grading is happening there itself. So they are saving a lot of labor time and labor cost.
The farm gate itself.
Correct. So that's one more thing which we find it effective.
But these many differentiators.
Exactly.
That's what. No, when that one that's been graded, no drama of feeling and all, like you will be getting back over here.
Correct.
Adding up shelf life then and there itself, and could be happily the vibrations will continue till no bridge, no drama. Yes, it will be directly consumed by the customer.
It's like supply chain.
MAP packing, if you take okra, it's keeping 7 days fresh. You don't have to keep it in the fridge. You just have to keep it outside.
European and all, like they're saying a big drama about it, that is polyhouse and all, nothing, no need of. Again, polyhouse is needed over here for okra.
Not necessary. Polyhouse is needed probably for only leafy vegetables.
This is from the this one Adilabad kind of a thing.
Pardon, sir?
This is for only from the Adilabad from that farmer producer FPO, or it is possible everywhere.
It is possible everywhere. We are doing it in Medak, sir.
Okay, right. Okay.
That's about 50 kilometers from Hyderabad.
How far is from Narsapur?
Narsapur about 7 kilometers. It's part of Narsapur only, Tuliki. So it's called Medak KVK.
How it has been culminated, sir? Like this, in this kind of an different perspective?
Like you mean the vegetable thing?
No, generally how a different approach has taken. Till now we are calling only zero budget farming and all. Like how we
have a good team, sir. Like Subramanian ji and there's another Subramanian Garu. So they are probably exposed to a lot of things it's a teamwork. Like I said, since I come from real estate background, I'm an entrepreneur by profession.
Okay.
So maybe all the experience and all, it's the right things at right people at the right time, probably.
Yeah. See, I didn't expect that. I'm calling in the afternoon, Rajgaru, and he's saying that we'll see. I didn't know that you'll add up you, and that too, we doubt that you will be available or not. So this talk has really added up. We're missing our Srinivas Rao. That is next.
My pleasure, sir. And just to sum it up, sir, in my experience, when we talk to customers, 9 out of 10 customers said if you have a genuine quality, we'll buy.
They surrender, sir. Now they will surrender, sir.
Yeah, exactly. Then when we went to marketing people, they said if you have genuine stuff at reliable prices, we'll market it. And then when we went to farmers, they said if you give package of practices and inputs, we'll produce and give a marketing link. So all we did is connecting these dots. So this should be replaced anywhere, actually, replicated anywhere.
Glamorized and designed and replicated.
Correct.
It has been glamorized now. It has come into the digital mode.
Yeah, true actually, because the certification thing and then this MAP packing and then this whatever right now the environment is such that thanks to COVID everybody wants to have a good food. So probably everything helped.
Yeah, it has been synchronized.
And see that previously we didn't have the QR code. So that's another fancy thing.
Yeah.
So, we saw stickers only on the Washington apples, American apples. Now they are seeing stickers of papayas and even the Viltigards. So I guess it's a change.
Dr. Seshigaru, please, more questions coming from you there.
I have to educate myself to learn. I am only looking at ekalavya.net, parallelly learning from that.
Yes, we don't have much information on these things, on this subject, on the net because we are just, like I said, it's just a recent thing.
Yeah.
Outcome of the COVID quarantine.
Exactly.
Introspected, now we have bigger introspection, survival, compulsion, necessity, all just triggered this kind of a baby product.
Exactly, sir.
For the next generation, sir.
Subramania Raju has got a website? Subramania Raju has got a website?
No.
Okay.
Sorry?
You have a website?
Sorry?
You have a website?
Website was the article. Yeah, just a second.
GSPS.org.in/Telangana.
You can just type in the group, so I will look at it later probably. Yeah. Yeah, fine. Thank you.
Rao Garu and Raj Garu, see, we made आज का शाम बहुत याद रहेगा. This is been modulated by the doctor scientist.
Sure. Okay.
Thank you, Doctor, and thank you, Rao and Raj Garu.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Right. Hopefully, whenever anybody is in Hyderabad, we can get to visit KVK. Rajgaru will give my number. Anytime, anything, new thing also will come and learn, because we have about 6 scientists, all young people, they're eager, and then we'll be looking forward for your guidance, sir.
Guidance, sir. No. All scientists from the background, sir, from agriculture or any business background?
I'm a purely business, sir. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm an MBA guy.
From sir?
From Osmania University, ITE.
In Institute of Public Enterprise in okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How about the physics scientists? What is their background, sir?
See, all of them are into specialists. Like the one is into horticulture, one is agronomy, one is soil science, another is post harvesting. So they have about 5-6 different subjects. They are called subject matter specialists.
How about agribusiness?
Agribusiness, yes, sir. I mean, in the sense,
Irma kind or XLRI and all.
not yet, sir.
Manmohan Garu, we will create foregrounds. Forget about the background.
That's why I kept in your hand, sir. Now you should take this.
We have to create foregrounds. Background and all is gone under the root now. Let us look at the fruits.
Rao Garu and Raj Garu. This is the hope I had on Dr. Sesh Kumar. That's the reason he will be good modulator with all his experience and passion and compassion. I had a big hope on Dr. Sesh Kumar. That's the reason I said that he is supposed to be our modulator.
Okay.
We'll meet anyway. Before that, 1 or 2 trials. Actually, Manmohan need to get educated on Google Meet.
ఎవరిదండి?
If we are already there, I am there in the group. I'll just send a message. Yeah.
అంటే 2 నెంబర్లు ఉన్నాయి, ఏది ఎవరికో తెలియలేదు నాకు. చివరిలో 720 ఇంకోటి తెలియదు.
Yeah. I'll put my name so you will know. Yeah.
ఓకే
I am the one who is putting the flyer and all that.
ఓకే సార్.
Yeah. Thank you.
He's going to be the marketer, sir. Say like that, sir, please. We should market our goods, sir.
Now there is big demand. You need not market. You will have to only produce. Market will come.
Exactly, sir. Exactly. That's the new thing we have brought into Eklavya Foundation.
See, the supply chain management principles and all what is used generally for other packed foods and all will come for now for these agricultural products.
Yeah.
You no need of storing. It just goes from the field to directly to the customer.
Correct.
Yeah.
Especially new techniques coming, it would be.
Yeah.
Rao Garu and Raj Garu and our Dr. Sandeep. Sir,
In Gulf and all, they have got a fresh fish program. Fresh fish program is you order it immediately, they will catch from the place and then give it.
Correct.
That is how it is applied. So it is never stored, never packed, nothing. It just goes from the field to the house. That's what will happen.
sir,
Yeah.
I hope everybody believe out there. The right time. Time is a bigger thing for us to bring together.
Exactly. And right now, because of social media and all, like just a small example, with the 180 papaya plants, we generated 1,60,000 rupees income with just 180 plants. And then we put that on the social media, and somehow it reached PMO's office. And next day in the morning, I got a call that PMO's office I wanted to verify, and then they sent a team and they saw what we said is correct. So these days, time is right actually. You never know who is watching and who will send that. Like I agree with you, sir.
We will,
Fine.
once the flyer is ready tomorrow morning, I'll share. I will look at least if you want to add somebody else, we could add them also. and then we
Add
will.
this papaya, sir. This miracle papaya, sir. Add this MA and all that, so that people can know that why we start marketing it now itself.
I can share the PPT we have done, which got the attention of PMO, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Why? Because this will add up to our a new initiative and a new turning point.
Sure.
Sure. So that clipping, sir, about that papaya and that MAO, that's what you have said. So please let us add that, highlight that pictures over there. Then it will have a life to that. I hope Rajgar is happy now because he was doubtful about our topic. Rajgar, is it working, sir? Now, are you happy with that topic?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can we conclude?
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajgar.
God bless you.
Okay. My pleasure. Thank you all.
Thank you.